seen this before?
Well, yes, but these are my films.
Same scenery, same script, different director.
Look, see, I used to have a coat.
You used to have a coat. Somehow, honey, that's not exactly comforting. Can you prove that's you?
Sure, I will. I'll do something stupid any minute now.
And there it is.
I think it rolled down the hill.
See, when I made a lot of these things, I just forget how it's pretty.
I know, we all had a bunch of
I
them.
know, I tried to make one. I made one too. Yeah, that's one.
That's a Christmas time.
Yeah, see, that was a nice hat. I just can't remember how I did it.
I had mufflers and hats to match.
Yeah.
Well, I have a muffler. Uh-oh, the art film.
Linda, look.
The art film section here.
Orphan.
Yes.
Magic movies.
That's very
But
nice.
who was taking the pictures?
We don't know.
The one-armed bandit.
Well, good.
That's the band.
This is when you came to Orphan?
I will read it to you.
That's how they put that.
That's okay. Well, you'll
Oh,
get
it's
better.
no,
That's
no,
what's snowing.
Snow, snow, snow! Oh, snow!
Oh, look at Jamie.
Jamie.
Oh my God. You should cut that part and do it over there.
Help me. I'm trapped in this coat.
He was so bundled up and we took him down.
Who's Jamie?
He was my next door neighbor. Another American
Did he live by himself?
No, with his
He's the
parents.
one that girl that
That's
his
died in
mother.
Holyfield.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Diane.
Jamie's like 21 or something.
You fell down the stairs.
Jamie was born in 70.
And this was,
You're practicing there, right, Linda?
I helped raise them for 2 years.
look at this, we went out for a walk on the dike. Open its fence.
It was pitiful the way they was dragging that boy through the mud.
The water he lived. Look at him. Whoa! I don't he doesn't like it at all. Look at him. Look at him.
There's mud around here, there was nothing but mud over there. Oh,
England's nothing but a bog anyway.
oh God, well, this was bog city.
Right where we lived, it was really mucky.
Mud.
You know why they call it Orford, don't you? Because the H fell off and sank in the mud.
I think it's the camera there.
Orford.
And then the
Or
shoe.
Hereford.